sweeties, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So inside of the package we get 2 wig caps, a band to tie down our edges. You also get a clip, a comb, and the hair itself. So this hair came really wrapped tightly, and I thought that was just really nice and personal, sweet touch for them to wrap it this way. So this is a 20-inch 4x4 closure wig. It has 3 combs in the top, the adjustable straps, and a comb in the back. So sweeties, let me tell you, this hair feels so amazing. It has a great luster to it. The density is perfect at 180% density. The knots were not super big. It has a lot of body to it. I did not bleach the knots and it still came out really natural. So that's a great sign. I know when you bleach the knots, it's going to look amazing. There's an inch for everyone. It goes all the way up to 28 inches. So, and it's still a really reasonable price. The first thing I noticed about this hair were the ends and how healthy they were. I think this is some of the most healthy hair I have experienced so far. You should definitely check this out, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, my loves, see you soon.
It's just one of them days when I wanna be all alone. It's just one of them days when I gotta be all alone. It's just one of them days when I wanna be all alone. It's just one of them days when I gotta be all alone. It's just one of them things. Don't take it personal. Just wanna be all alone. You think I treat you wrong? I wanna take some time out to think things through. I know it always feels like I'm doing you wrong, but I'm so in love with you. So understand that I'm only in love. You're the only one I need. So have no thought that I want to leave. And baby, trust me, please. Just one of them days that a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. Don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Don't take it personal. I just wanna be all alone. When you think I treat you wrong, don't take it personal. Baby, 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 baby. I sit and think about everything we do, and I find myself in misery, and that ain't cool. Hey now, I really wanna be with you the whole way through, but the way you make me feel inside keeps me confused. As I swing back, move to boot, it's not because of you. I never want you to be insecure. So won't you understand that I'm only in love? You're the only one I need. I'll be there for you when you need me, boy. So baby, don't you leave. That a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. Don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Don't take it personal. I just wanna be all alone. When you think I treat you wrong, just one of them days. Just one of them days that a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. I don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Don't take it personal. I just wanna be all alone. When you think I treat you wrong, don't take it personal. Baby, 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 baby. Don't take it.
Okay guys, so I just curled my entire head. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm sorry about that. It's repetitive anyway. So this is the Conair Instant Heat. I just curled it up really nice and tight. You know, dropped it in my hand and pin it with the little pins. I just let them sit there and marinate, cool off. And then I just take some hairspray. This is Aquanet. And spritz them. Kind of let that set for a second. And then we can let them down. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Really loving it. I have so much good stuff to say about this hair. When I unwrapped it, there was no bad scent, and I instantly noticed how healthy it was. It had a really great sheen. It was silky. I feel like too often I get wigs with bad ends, or like not necessarily bad, but they're just kind of stringy and you have to end up cutting them anyways. And I love that they took care of that for us. Like if you saw, it was just like really nicely trimmed at the bottom. This hair is really nice. And you guys know when you see this little caramel moment framing the face, fall time is here, okay? That's my little signature to let you know I'm signing on. Fall is here, okay? This hair is just so nice, you guys. I did not bleach the knots because once I felt it, I was like, I don't want to put anything on it. I don't want to wash it. I don't want to condition it. I want to just see what it's naturally giving. As you can see, even without the hairspray, like this hair really does hold a curl. This is the best curls I've done in any hair. Like, I know I tried to curl like some nice hair at one point and they would just fall, but this hair is giving. It's a cute little peekaboo, how you doing moment. I really love this. You guys, I definitely recommend this hair. So yeah, I have no complaints. I want to thank Ainimiu Hair again for sending this over. I want to thank you guys for watching. I truly do appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, stay sweet.
It's just one of them days when I gotta be all alone. It's just one of them things. Don't take it personal.